Gab, you move over there. Move on your bench. Are you subbing in? Got a three? Joey!
balita to.
Yaman mo na ha.
Balita. Ito. Mas mayaman kayo sa akin. Mayaman. Yung academy ko sa game.
Where's that at?
Sa Gilroy. So ano eh, mayroon silang training sila.
Who's doing the training?
Me and my cousins. Tsaka yung may mga gusto akong mga i-hire na players. Kahit na 8 years old nila, ang lilit pa rin eh. Nahihirapan sila mag-shoot ng bola. Alam mo yun?
Discounted naman pag ako.
Siyempre. Pag volunteer, kunyari, actually, pag liga nila, yung parents pwede mag-volunteer to be a coach. Ang gagawin namin nun, kunyari yung anak mo, ikaw magko-coach sa team nila. Diba? Yung anak mo no, may discounted siya. Yun yung bibigay namin para para discounted siya. Kasi ang gagawin ko, parang sa Pilipinas yung multi-color, parang red, black, white, blue, ganon. Yun yung mga team color nila. Tapos, 6 na team. Per team is like 7 players. Para sa ganon, meron lahat silang playing time. Tapos coach mo yung black team. Tapos ako yung white team, maglalaban na. Pero lahat sila nagtatrain sa akin. Yung kunyari, rent ka ng 3 hours. First, 1 hour 30 minutes, boys practice. Tapos yung last 1 hour, girls practice.
Oh, shit.
Travel. Good call, ref. Walk. Kasi yung iba, they charge $375. Training lang. Pero yung akin, magiging ano siya, kasi lahat kasama na. Training, liga, tsaka jersey provided. Provided na doon sa mamaya. And then they get to keep the jersey. Up and down yun, up and down.
Lahat mo na yung business ha.
I have nothing else to do.
Clothing.
I have nothing else to do. Eh, yung clothing, inano ko muna eh. Naglayo muna ako. Mahirap mag-sell online eh. Consistent ka doon. Tsaka
Makalayo naman kasi yung liga kasi yung clothing.
seasonal din kasi. Shorts lang kasi binibenta mo pag ano, summer. Kaya makalayo rin. Mahirap. Pero madali lang mag-ano, meron mag-ano ng business na po. Alibaba. Doon, tapos mag-design ka lang naman. Mag-design naman ka lang. Yan, gawin ko lang kasi. Pero ang technique doon, order ka lang ng isang titignan ko na yung material. Tapos pag nagustuhan mo, order ka ng isa para sa'yo. Doon kayo mag-uusap. Magiging ang source ng sila yung nag-agawa clothing.
This is what that's Stanford, right?
No, I quit.
Oh, you quit.
I didn't quit just because of this. I quit because toxic sa work.
I thought you were just chilling.
I had anxiety and depression. Anxiety and depression.
From work?
From work. Kasi ilang years ka na nagtatrabaho sa night shift ka din ba?
Yeah.
Ilang years ka na nagtatrabaho sa night shift?
Night shift?
Yeah.
Since 2014.
Mrs.
Actually, actually,
sleeping, yeah, on the road. And then, parang napag-anoin ko na like, I think I'll go take a break for now. Gawin ko to, and then balik ako. Actually, nag-apply na ako anesthesia tech. Pero relief lang. Relief lang. Tsaka OR tech.
Oh, you start?
Yeah. Kasi si Mrs. OR manager. So, meron siya mga kakilala na nagkakabaho. Pero sabi ko, masaya ako sa ginagawa ko. Pero pag walang game, pag nasa bahay lang ako, pero nasa bahay, that's why I'm always on my phone. Pero nakakaano rin kasi minsan si Mrs. pero hindi ko na-realize yun. Hindi ko naiisip yun. Alam mo yan? Due date na yung Mrs. ko anytime, bro.
Huh?
She's due anytime. She's pregnant.
Kailan mo na yan?
Boy.
Your sixth kid?
Finally a boy, bro. I finally got a boy, man. But she's due anytime. She's due on February 7th. So she's usually a week ahead of time.
Oh, yeah, I got my fourth kid.
Yeah. Ilan na yung boy mo?
I got 3 boys. 1 girl. Baliktad tayo.
Baliktad tayo. Tapos ka na?
For now, hindi naman ako nahihirapan.
Yeah. Kasi nandiyan naman yung
I respect my wife. So I think,
may parents mo or parents niya tumutulong.
no, her parents is pregnant. Tatay ko.
Parang nanay niya nasa LA, tapos nanay ko yung tumutulong sa amin. Pag weekdays nandun siya Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
Tapos susunduin yung mga bata, luluto, laundry. Minsan nga nahiya na ako. Yung anak ko kasi dalawa, panganay ko 15 at saka 12, marunong na silang mag-laundry. Eh, tinitake advantage lang nila kanila. Tapos minsan sinasabi ko nanay ko, mapabayaan niyo sila maglinis. Pero yung alam mo na yung mga parents natin, yung mga matatanda ko sila gumagalaw sila lagi. Ayaw nilang nababato sa bahay. Kaya wala rin. Kaya nga, sabi nga niya sa akin, kung gusto niyo pa magkaanak, gawin niyo na ngayon habang nandito pa ako. You know, man.
Tinutoo mo naman.
Actually, we didn't even plan it, bro.
Yeah?
It just happened. Yeah. Tapos lalaki pa.
Parang sa atin, ganun din.
Yeah.
It's unplanned.
Yeah. It just happened, right?
I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not happy. It's not planned.
Dude, yung nalaman ko, buntis yung misis ko, tapos lalaki pa. I'm still undeniable. I'm like, what? I'm having a boy.
Hindi, not expecting. And the next minute, paano yun?
I'm like, what the? Diba? Ano ka eh, parang di ka makapaniwalang puso. Pero you know, sabi nga nila, we don't have everything, right? Yeah. Pero sa family, we're blessed, man. Kaya nga, pag binigay ng Panginoon, ibig sabihin, kaya natin. You know? Kasi mga iba dyan, man, daming pera, pero walang kaanak-anak, man. I was watching yung Filipino, yung kapatid ni Tony Gonzaga.
Alex?
Oo. Diba, ilang beses na miscarriage siya, man, tatlo. And she got miscarriage again, January 27, 25 na. But she makes it. Diba?
Hindi talaga.
Yeah.
Money talaga.
Yeah, exactly. Lalo na ako, man, kasi nung ako lumaki ako, I never got it. I have to work for it, you know? Yung mga anak ko, pag humingi sa akin, man, if I have it, I give it. That's what my wife would like. Why would I be able to do ano kaya school sila sa'yo? Kasi I never experienced it when I was young. I never had it. I don't, you know.
Same thing.
making, you know, we're making money. We have money. It's just, what are you gonna do with the money?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're able to,
Why we're working.
yeah, you're able to work, pay the mortgage, you're able to eat, you know. Siyempre yung mga pangangailangan ng mga anak mo. Like my daughter right now, yung panganay, she does tournament, volleyball tournament. Yeah. Actually, isa kong panganay, lagi minsan sumasama sa akin sa game. Kasi mahilig siya mag-basketball talaga, man. So I'm gonna put her sa ano. Yung nga sa liga ko, that's why I put that camp. Because she wants it. Sabi ko, okay, we'll think about it.
Why did you still Brentwood, right? Why don't you get an electric? Why don't you get an electric?
Hindi ako siya sa mga ganun, man.
What you mean?
Ano lang ako, man, like, hanggang umaandar pa, that's it, bro. I'm like that, bro. Like, I don't...
I know, I get that. That's how I am too. I still
Yeah.
got my own cars. But
Pero si Mrs. gusto niya. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, kasi pinaid off ko na yung Sienna, di ba? So I don't wanna trade that shit, man. That's family car. That's gonna die with me. You know, pero kung gusto mo mag-Tesla, sabi ko sa kanya. Because when we moved to Brentwood, I got the RAV4 just for temporary. Kasi we were supposed to get a Tesla. Pero you know how order ka ng Tesla, it takes a while.
yeah.
So parang naano na sa akin, sabi ko, retain mo, gawa ka ng Tesla. Trade mo yung RAV4. Pero I'm not buying. Sabi ko sa akin. Kasi it's,
Well, the reason why, I mean, you're driving Brentwood.
Yeah.
I can tell you it's worth it. You know?
yeah.
Like me driving to Hollister every day, every time.
Yeah, I heard kasi
It's worth it. Like,
si
no
ano,
maintenance, no gas.
yeah.
It's not that you know you want it, but it's just being practical.
Alam mo ang gusto ko? Track, bro. I want Sequoia.
Sequoia?
Toyota Sequoia.
Man.
I want
You're
that.
not trend, huh?
I want that, bro.
You're
Gusto ko.
not.
Man, matagal ko nang gusto yung
You
Toyota
gonna make it a
Sequoia, bro.
comfort, man? You want a comfort, ano?
Yeah. Gusto ko yung ano, yung mataas yung ano niya, yung
You lift mo, eh?
bro. That's what I want. Ayoko ng Tesla. Nagkano kami, man, nag-test drive kami sa Stanford yung ano, yung X, yung Falcon Green.
Yeah.
Nag-test drive ako. Pero, ang nangyari yata, nabuntis na naman si Mrs. kaya parang nagano kami na. Nag-budget na naman ang pucha. Nakalister ka, di ba? Ha? Nakalister?
Yeah.
Dapat doon din ako bibili ng
You know,
Novada ba yun? Novada? Yun yung builder.
ano ka?
Pero, natatawa nga yung mga anak ko nun eh. Sabi sa akin, Dad, we're gonna live here? It's farm over here, sabi sa akin. Puro farm daw, man. Sabi ko, oh, shit.
Ayun nga magaling.
Nasanay sa big city.
Tahimik, walang crime, walang...
Yeah, same thing with ano, man, sa Brentwood. Yung sa amin, na-establish na. Doon sa Basco, doon sa highway 4. Nagtayo sila ng Costco.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's like 8-10 minutes away from my house.
namin, siguro eh.
Nakayo pa, man.
30 minutes ba? Not too bad.
Yeah. Doon sa amin, 10 minutes. Kung saan nakatira si ano?
Adrian.
Yeah, doon sa kanto nila doon. Doon tayo na. Yun ang big time, man. Yeah, they make good money with the... Kasi meron silang machine eh. Gumagawa sila ng mga t-shirt. Sa kanya ko nga pinapagawa yung mga ano, eh, championship shirts eh. Tapos pupuntahan ko lang siya, kwentuhan, tangin na. Si Oji naglalaro sa liga mo. Si Oji pa hindi maglalaro.
Maglalaro ka kayo?
Yeah, sa Wednesday.
Wednesday. Oh, yung ano, kung matatanda.
Oo.
Lemigrin on natin.
Wednesday. Ba't di ka naglalaro pala doon?
I'm only 33.
Bro, I have 33 and a half players playing. Hindi naman nila tatanungin.
Ano yung team niya?
I don't really care, especially kung kilala kita. team. Pero may team ako free agent, naglalaro ako. Pag nasabihan kita ako.
Yeah. Paano nag-iba?
Yeah, nandun ako. Team namin doon, nag-drafted. Team ko yung kalaban mo kanina, si Jan. Yun, that's what I'm saying. Yung mas bata pa sa yun.
But he plays in 35.
Yeah.
That's wrong. What is that?
Pero yun.
Well, I move like a 35.
Ayun, teammate ko yun, si Calvo. Si Ed, teammate ko siya. Yeah, man. Kaya, ako nga.
Ever since, I don't know if you remember, ever since I got knee injury.
Oh, yeah. Yan, matagal ako eh. Friday, naglalaro ako, Wednesday. Pero napul ko rin yung hami ko eh. Kababalik ko lang, man. 1 month ako out. Napul ko yung hami ko sa Wednesday. Hinabol ko yung bola, tapos pag umanon yung paa ko, man. Ano, man.
Fragile na.
Yeah. Imagine, ganyan din tayo.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Wala na. But you gotta keep exercising, man.
First liga natin, yung Dixon Landing Elite, man.
Yeah, Dixon Elite, yeah.
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 Birthday pa yung natin. Jersey na.
Dixon Elite ang pusa. Diba nag-champion tayo? Pero ano na yun eh, tag-hirap na yun eh.
Yeah. Came a long way.
Yeah. Sino ba yung may naglalaro sa akin? Sa Wednesday. Alam mo yung mga nakalaban natin ng doon sa Iwan. Naglalaro sa Wednesday, man.
Yeah?
Kasangga ni
Tandaan na rin, ha?
Kasangga ni OJ yung isa. Si Jan.
Tandaan na rin.
Yeah. Saka si Uncle E. Laro siya, unwanted sila.
Sino ang
Si E. Si Eric. Yeah, he's playing next.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where's he at? He's not here yet.
He's not here yet, but he said he'll be here. I think he's coming from work.
Oh, wait. You know,
Lalaro si Eric ng Wednesday. Tsaka si Dom, lalaro ng Wednesday.
Ano daw ang klase? Okay, naglaro kami sa AOL. Eric was supposed to be our team. And he never showed up.
Yeah. Si Eric, nakasangga ko sa AOL. After ng COVID, nanalo kami. 30 years yan na. Yun yung last champion, ko men, AOL. Monday din yun eh, Monday. May pasok ka niyan.
Yeah.
Ha? Anong oras?
11.
Oh, pero dito ka na.
Kaya hindi na ako umuwi eh.
So,
doon na lang sa trabaho malibig.
oh, yeah. Saan ka na?
Sa Clark
Oh, yeah.
County.
Oh, county.
I work at psych unit.
Psych unit, putang ina.
Kaya nga when you mentioned depression,
Yeah, bro.
I get you, man.
Mga psych unit, putang ina.
Kasi mga sa amin, mga nakapentalin, yung mga from the streets.
Nung nagtrabaho ako sa Stanford noon, sa supply distribution. Ako na, linan ako na, may pasok ako doon. Magre-refill ako ng linan. Putang ina, sabi nung isa ka, "Hey, that's mine!" Sabi niya, "Putang mo eh." Babato ko. Gusto kong bato sa kanya, putang ina eh. Tapos kukunin siya ng security. Eh, kami. Babalik na siya sa room niya. Putang ina, nakatakot na yun. Kasi yung iba maglalakad, walang gown. Gago. Tatanggalin ko na yung may Saturday league ako eh. Tapos binalik ko yung Sunday. Pero parang magtatagal yung Sunday. Kasi meron kasi 6 lang yung team ko sa Sunday kasi kala ko expect ko marami. Kasi pala meron pala na Sunday Mystic Mystic League. Ewan ko mga sa San Jose. So alas na player na rin. So we'll see. Kasi tatanggalin mo yung Saturday, Sunday. Doon ko gagawin yung mga yung araw na yun, yung weekends na yun.
Daw, bibet kasi lalo na pag may school.
Yeah. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng gawin ng ano yun eh, ng weekdays eh. Pwede mong gawin yung practice sila ng Saturday, tapos may laro sila Sunday. O kaya ano, practice sila ng weekdays pero gabi. Like after, like mga 1 o'clock, 6 o'clock practice, gano'n. Kasi alam mo yung sa church na pinaglalaban namin ng Wednesday, yung mga bata doon bago kami, kasi kami 6:30. Tapos sila lalabas sila ng 6:30. Yung mga bata nagsa-training. Got number 4. Two. Ayan, si yun, yung number 0. 37 na yan, man. Ayan, nakalaban ko. Oh, yeah. Nakalaban na. Kailangan lang talaga consistent ka. Tignan mo si Dom, putang. Si Dom ba?
Wala, sa bola sa kasi wala. Wala kaya sila papaglaro.
Si Dom ba?
Papaglaro mo hindi marunong.
Saka mahirap pag may injury. And that's 15 foul, White. Uy, susi mo sa iba. Ingat, ingat.
Hindi ko kailangan susut.
Side game.
Tie game. Hey, Joey, hold on.
I don't know. What'd you see? What did you see? No. I just want to know if you've seen it. Okay. Let's go.
Just want to make sure if you guys seen it.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Last 2 minutes. Shot clock is on. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. 1-1. Hold the ball. Hold the ball. Hold the ball. Hold the ball.
He should have given him a warning, bro.
What?
He should have given him a warning. He smacked that ball. I don't want them doing that. Makes think they could just get away from him.
Just pushing it back. Out of bounds.
Push off. What's up? Is that 1-1?
Yeah. He's like, how you call that after? I was like, oh, I was in shock. I pushed him. I literally just pushed him. I couldn't believe my eyes.
I was about to call it for you. Huh? I was about to call it for you. I thought you were trying to be nice and
No, it's just everything he's doing right now.
Yeah,
I'm trying to keep it cool because I don't want him swinging on me.